This is Audible.
Audible Originals presents Cozy for the Holidays, written by Liz Maverick, performed by Andrew Iden and Eva Kaminsky.
Chapter 1. Sophie. The first day of winter vacation is the absolute best. The plans, the anticipation, the atmosphere. There's so much to look forward to and so much to enjoy. Manhattan certainly understood the assignment this year. Beyond my kitchen window, the city is dressed up picture perfect for the holidays. The snowflakes falling lightly just outside my kitchen window twinkle for me as they drift under a streetlight. I can even stand here at the stove, waiting for my little bubbling pot of chocolate to heat up, and admire the dreamy, multicolored glow coming through my neighbor's frosted window panes. I inhale and exhale slowly. Ah, the glorious scent of melted happiness. This is way better than yoga. Sure, I could have gone with my friends to warmer climes, but it wouldn't be as fun to go with Caleb staying in town. As if we share the same brain, his call lights up my phone. Oh gosh, though. Normally once I near the soft ball stage, I forgo all calls, even from my dearest friends. But this is a call I should take, because Caleb has gone and done something somewhat out of character. He's not one to make big moves on short notice. And by New York City standards, this one's kind of epic. I use my pinky to take the call on speakerphone. Howdy. Sup? Sophie. Soph. He ends with a rueful laugh. What happened? Did you get a lemon? I ask. Not exactly, he says. I don't take my eyes off the stove, but my friend now has most of my attention. It is unlike him to sound flummoxed. Yes, I prompt. What do you mean by not exactly? At least give me a noun. And also, just so you know, my attention is slightly divided because I'm in the middle of something delicate. Ah, you're making fudge. Caleb's the best. I don't even have to explain. Yeah. I suddenly detect the faint scent of overcooked sugar. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Better call me back. I don't want to... Don't hang up! 1 sec. I peer closer and sniff. Possibly overcooked has quickly turned into unmistakably scorched. It wasn't meant to be, I say with a sigh. Just now? It went bad just now while we were on the phone? Yep. It took a very sudden turn for the worse. But you know, I'm used to it. I'm making myself sound way more sanguine than I actually am. But I've been agonizing over this particular project for years, and I expect it gets boring. Because of me? Caleb sounds outsizedly concerned, as if I haven't been failing at this for years. Let me know if you want me to come over and help, he adds. He's also been offering his help for years. He is, after all, a scientist with ways and means that I don't have. But I can't accept. Or at least, I won't let myself. You know, I'm afraid it won't count if it's not just me in the kitchen. Yeah, I know, Caleb says with a laugh. You won't let anybody help you with crossword puzzles either. Besides, I really think the next batch is going to be the one. I mean, I have to believe that. Absolutely, he says, cheerleading me as always. Anyway, how are we still talking about me? What happened to you? I did all the things, he says. All the things I said I would do. I sold my old furniture. Right? And I downsized the rest of my possessions to postage stamp size. Uh-oh. Why do you sound weird about it? Do you have regrets? We all did warn you that you might be going a little far. The new place was sold to me already furnished, and I was embracing the idea of a more minimalist life. Besides, all my college bachelor stuff was on its last leg.